Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun dinosaur video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Drex versus the Mosasaurus. Now I know this is definitely kind of like a random encounter that probably would never happen, but I just thought it'd be fun to show you some of the new dinosaurs battling it out. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Drex versus the Mosasaurus, let's begin over here at the Drex. So I'm going to begin by making the eye. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to kind of go down, and it's going to curve up and down. Now we're going to make a small circle for the eye. I want to make some little broken lines right around here. And I'm going to make some little bumps right above the eye. Next, I'm going to make like a curved line up here that kind of comes down. Now I'm going to make some little broken lines right around here in the front. I want to make a line that comes down, and I'm just going to make some kind of wiggly, bumpy lines. I'm going to come up to here. We'll make two little lines here for the nose. Now I'm going to draw this line down. I'm going to put some more of these little wiggly, bumpy lines. That's where the teeth are going to go. Next, in all these little bumps, I'm going to put some sharp teeth in here. I'm going to put some closer together, and then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to put some sharp little bumps in here for the teeth. Then we'll kind of curve a couple lines back here for the back of the mouth. We'll bring a little line back here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring it over and up to here and around. I'm going to curve this line up and down for the tongue and make a line down here. I'll make another line show kind of like the back of the mouth. Next, I'm going to make some little wrinkle lines that come down here. And then I'm going to make some little lines that are just going to kind of curve down here where the neck would be. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down, leave a little space, and come back up here for like the shoulder. Then I'm going to make a little line here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here. And then I'm going to bring this down here. And then we're going to make another one that's going to kind of come down and then up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out, and we're going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to kind of come up and then down here. Then for those little arms, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and we're just going to put two little claws on here and bring it back. I'm going to bring this down. Then I'm going to make another one that's going to kind of come out. Another little claw here, and then we're just going to bring this back. Next, I'm going to make this line kind of come back, and then we're going to bring this back here for the leg. Make it down, and we're going to make a nice sharp point for one of the toes. We'll make another one here. And we'll make one that's going to come down and then up here. I'm going to bring this up, and then I'm going to kind of curl this up here. Then I'm going to make this line kind of come down and then back here for the tail. Next, up here, I'm going to make the other arm. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. And I'm going to bring this out here. We're going to bring it up. And then I'm going to make a little bit of like a curved line right around here. Now, over here, we're going to make the Mosasaurus. So, starting up here, I'm going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then we're going to bring it up. Then we're just going to kind of curve a line here. Make a couple little lines underneath here. Make a little line up here for kind of like the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to make this line come over. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. Now I'm going to bring this down and then up to here. Now I'm going to bring this line over to here. Then we're going to bring this over and kind of down. I'm going to make a couple little curved lines so it kind of looks like the D-Rex is kind of grabbing the Mosasaurus. Then we're going to make a little line up here for like the other eye. Put 2 dots here for the nose, and then a couple little line here with some more little extra lines. I'm going to make a row of sharp teeth in here on our Mosasaurus. And then I'm going to make another row of sharp teeth right here. We're going to put 2 lines down here. Next, I'm going to make this line kind of curve around for the back of the head. And then I'm going to make this line kind of curve back, and we're going to bring this down to here. I want to make a line that's going to kind of curve down and then up here for the flipper, and we're going to make some little lines around it. Now I'm going to kind of curve this line down. We're going to make another little flipper over here. And then I'm going to draw the tail kind of over here and then around. We'll make the tail kind of come out here. I'm going to make the tail kind of come down, and then I'm going to bring this kind of towards here. We'll make a couple little curved lines. We're going to kind of bring this down. I'm going to make another line here for that other flipper. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down to here, and then we're going to bring it back. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down, and we're going to bring this down for the other leg of our D-Rex. We're going to make this line come down with a point, and then one right here. Then we're going to bring this up and then kind of over to here. Now we have our basic layout. Let's come in here and add some of the different details. Let's start with the D-Rex. So I'm going to make some kind of broken lines right around the head, and then a few little lines kind of right by the mouth, and a few little lines kind of underneath here. We'll do these at the bottom too. Make some little lines kind of coming up. We'll put a few little lines around here, and then we're going to make some little kind of broken lines right around here as well. I want to make some little kind of like wrinkle lines here, and some little lines kind of coming up around here, and then some little lines kind of coming down the body of our D-Rex here. I want to put some claws on here, all the ones that we can see, and I'll put these extra little lines here. And these extra little lines are just going to help make it look a little bit more realistic. We'll even do them on the toes too. We'll kind of make these broken lines up here and little lines coming down the tail. Put some extra lines on these arms, and then even on this leg over here. Next, on the Mosasaurus, let's begin by kind of adding some little lines onto the flippers. We'll make some lines kind of coming down here where the tail is. We'll make some little broken lines here, and then some lines up here on the face. We'll even make some lines kind of coming across the stomach here, and then some lines kind of coming down the back as well, even along the tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of the D-Rex versus the Mosasaurus. Now I know the Mosasaurus is actually way bigger than the D-Rex, but just to try to fit everything on the paper, kind of had to scale it down. So we can always say maybe this is a smaller Mosasaurus. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.